Well, hello. Emil Ohangazada here, your course facilitator. Hope you all are very excited about launching into the first week of the Digital Literacies 2 course, which actually started yesterday in relation to when I'm recording this video. Thanks to those of you who were able to join us for the optional orientation webinar. But if you weren't able to join us, of course, those links to the recorded versions of the webinar themselves, the orientation webinar, are available for you. Simply click on the announcements button over onto the left side of your screen, and you should see an announcement that points out, hey, this is where you access the orientation webinars. This is a brief overview of what to expect here during the first week of the course in relation to the content, I should say. The first week is generally dedicated to taking a look at fair use, copyright laws, and something called Creative Commons and licensing. So you'll be spending a little bit of time taking a look at how to navigate at least the American legal system when it comes to the copyright law and digital images, videos, and text, and so forth. So you'll take some time reviewing those. You'll also take some time taking a look at what Web 2.0 is, this term that was coined by a woman named Darcy DiNucci, and really have a clearer understanding of what Web 2.0 is, as well as what Web 3.0 is, actually. You'll also be exploring a few digital photography tools, as well as some digital virtual touring tools as well. And then we'll ask you to take a look at some streaming video resources out there that go beyond the scope of things like YouTube and Vimeo and Google Video and so forth, and ask you to kind of evaluate them and see which ones work best for you, which ones don't work well for you at all. As a matter of fact, you'll have an assignment associated to it wherein you'll have to nominate the worst of the streaming video resources, so heads up on that. As far as your coursework is concerned, beyond, of course, acquiring the content, you will be engaging in a discussion. Many of you have already posted your initial discussion submission for the week 1 discussion. You will have an assignment wherein you'll be asked to develop a hypothetical scenario for your students to discuss, or a group of people to discuss. You'll also be taking a quiz on what fair use is. It's an exception to the copyright law here in America. And you'll also be taking a quiz on a webinar that you'll be watching on Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a licensing feature that lays on top of American copyright law. And that's it.